Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 150 of Ali Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أي you uh, there is mad letter like this standing fatha is always equal to a big alif. So you are considering it as mad tabi'i because there is alif and before alif there is fatha. So when there is a long vowel and there is hamza after it, then you are making it 4 counts long. So this will be 4 counts long because hamza will be very sharp. Yeah, ay. Hamza is very sharp attached with ya, and when you are attaching with ya, there will be a number. So when you are attaching hamza with ya, this is the place where you will apply number, and number is a jump of sound. Ay, and ay. You for Dhamma, circle your lips. Hal, ha from your throat. For Patha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get sip out the wasut. Hal, and Fatha, it's very short. La, short. The 2 counts long. Na, short. Hamza is very sharp and it is 2 counts long. Ma, short. No, 4 counts long, and circle your lips very nicely. And this is ikhfa and this is light ikhfa. So you are keeping the sound in your nose. You are not pronouncing noon with your tongue, but you are going to prepare your tongue to pronounce ta. And two for the circle your lips. Ta is very sharp sound. Ta is heavy. For kasra give e sound, and it will be 2 counts long because this is mat asli. Rul ain from your throat. For the circle your lips. Attach with lam. Lam will get sick off the wasut. Rul, and lam fatha is very short. La short. The 2 counts long. Na short. Ka is very soft and short, and there is no hums. Ka, fa. There is hums whenever you see fa, no matter what state this fa is in, but you are giving hums on fa always. For fatha, open your jaws. Fa, ru. For the circle your lips, and ra will be heavy, and it is 2 counts long. Yeah, very soft because you are lifting your tongue up, but you are not touching the palate. For fatha, open your jaws. Yeah, rud. Raw is heavy. Circle your lips for raw. As soon you will touch dal, your lips should be in a straight position. Urud, and dal will get sifa of shidda, very sharp sound. Urud, and then you are circling your lips. After that, you are circling your lips for give dama on the second dal. Do, yeah, urud, do. Uh, it is 2 counts long. It is madhutabiya. Do. Yeah, would do kum for the circular lips attached with me. Me will get sifa of the wasut. I ain from your throat. The sound is very short. And for fatha, open your jaws. La 2 counts long. Ala. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. For ain, give the wasut. Ain should be from your throat and squeeze your throat well to pronounce this ain. It is beautiful letter. It gives you a nice, subhanallah, uh, tilawa. It's beautiful. Is 2 counts long, and it is heavy. B for kasra give e sound. For the circular lips attached with me. Me will get sip of the wasut. Fa, give a very nice hums on fa. For fatha, open your jaws. Ta is very sharp. The sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Fatang, ikhfa. Don't miss this ikhfa. And this ikhfa is heavy because the qaf is among heavy letter. So when you are leaving the shidda ta, very, very strong ta, you are creating ikhfa, and that is heavy. Tongue. To make any ikhfa heavy, you are lifting your tongue up very nicely. Q for fatha, open your jaws, but the sound is very short and heavy. Li for kasra, give e sound. Boo, circle your lips very nicely and make it 2 counts long. Kha, kha is heavy and 2 counts long because this is alif saghira. Kha, si for kasra, give e sound. Reen, raw will be light and it will be 4 counts long, and give the wasut at the end on noon because you are giving sukoon, temporary sukoon on noon because you are creating waqf. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu إن تطيعوا الذين كفروا يغدوكم على أعقابكم فتنقلبوا خاسرين بل الله مولاكم وهو خير الناصرين. Ba is very light. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Lil for kasra, give e sound. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Lillahu. Who for the circle lips, the sound is very short. Short. Mau, it is lean and it is 2 counts long. For fatha, open your jaws and give a nice fatha and attach with wow softly. This is how we say lean. Mau, la is 2 counts long. Kum for the circular lips, attach with meme will get sip out the wasut, and keep your lips straight when you will touch meme. Kum, huwa for wow circular lips, fatha, open your jaws. Hu for the circular lips, the sound is very short. Huwa for wow circular lips, fatha, open your jaws. Wa huwa, all the length of these 3 letters should be same because they are short, short, short. Yeah, khoi for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with ya, this is 2 counts long because this is lean. Khoi, urun for raw will be heavy. For the circle lips, attach with noon. Keep noon light because you are making raw heavy. Don't make noon heavy because of raw. Urun, and give a nice kamila unna here on noon because noon is with tashdid, and na alif saghira is here, so you will make it 2 counts long too. Na si sod is heavy for kasra, give e sound, and ri raw will be light and it will be 4 counts long, and give the wasut at the end on noon because you are giving a primary sukoon on noon. Sa is very sharp for the open your jaws, and the sound is very short. Null for some dhamma circular lips, attached with lam. Lam will get sip out the wasut. Null, as soon you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Qi, it is 2 counts long and it will be heavy. Fi, 2 counts long. Qu, for cough is heavy. For the circular lips, the sound is very short. Qu, lu for the circular lips and make it 2 counts long. Will for kasra, give e sound, don't drop it. It's e sound even if you are attaching with any coming up letter. Will, give the wasut on noon, and then for fatha, open your jaws. La, the sound of fatha is very short. The 2 counts long. Na, short. Ka, there's no hums in kaf when it is with a fatha dhamma kasra. So be very careful. Kaf is very, very sharp here. Ka, for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Fa, hums on fa. For fatha, open your jaws. Oru for dhamma circular lips, and it is 2 counts long. No, it is being attached with the coming up letter. So kafa ururu ra will be heavy. This ra and this both are heavy. So circle your lips. Keep circling your lips on both of the ra's. Kaf, ghur, ru'. For the circle your lips. Attach with ayn. Ayn will get safa off tawassut and give a nice squeeze to your throat to pronounce this ayn. Beautiful ayn. I love it. Ru', kafa, ghur, ru'. Ba is short. B for consecutive E sound. Ma for counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Ash Hamza is very sharp. Put open your jaws. Attach with sheen. Sheen will get safa off. Rafawa. Ash. Ro. Ro is heavy. Ku for the circle ellipsis and it is two counts long. Bil for consecutive E sound. Bila. It is and lafz jalala will be light because you can see kasra before it. Bila. La is two counts long. He for consecutive E sound. Ma two counts long. Lam for fatha open your jaws attached with me. Me will get sifa off. Tawassut. Lam you for the circle your lips. Naz for fatha open your jaws attached with za. Za will get sifa off.